Hello everyone and welcome back into another video. Today I'm going to show you on how to start weightlifting as a beginner. The main topic in general, you must first understand about weightlifting. Whether you're looking to build muscle, increase strength, or improve overall fitness, weightlifting can be an incredibly rewarding journey. As a beginner, it's important to start with the right approach to ensure safety, effectiveness, and long-term success. This guide will help you understand the basics of weightlifting, from setting goals and learning proper form to create a balanced workout routine and incorporating essential nutrition. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the benefits of weightlifting. Consult a professional. If you have any pre-existing health conditions, consult with a doctor before starting. Consider hiring a certified personal trainer to help you learn proper form and technique. Or, if you don't have access to personal trainer, there's always plenty of information on YouTube, and they will guide you proper step by step on what to do. Set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve. For example, building muscle, losing weight, or increasing strength. Learning proper form. Start with basics like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. Focus on mastering the technique before increasing the weight. Start with bodyweight exercises. Begin with bodyweight exercises such as push-ups, pull-ups, bodyweight squats to build a foundation of strength. Create a routine. As a beginner, full body workouts 2 to 3 times a week are effective. Ensure you have rest days to allow your muscles to recover. Warm up and cool down. Always start with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up to increase blood flow to your muscles, like light cardio or dynamic stretches. End with a cool-down session to help reduce muscle soreness, like static stretching. Progress gradually. Gradually increase the weight as you become stronger and more comfortable with the movements. Keep a workout log to track your progress and adjust your routine as needed. Nutrition and hydration. Ensure you have a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates to support muscle growth and recovery. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially during and after workouts. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and avoid pushing yourself too hard. Get adequate sleep and rest to allow your muscles to recover and grow. Stay consistent and patient. Building strength and muscle takes time, so stay consistent with your workouts and be patient with your progress. If you want the full list on sample beginner workout routine, I put it up in the description below, so if you want to check out every day on what you're going to do, it's all in there. That's about it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.